In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Contact Form 7 with Zoho CRM. We'll use Zoho Flow as the bridge that connects your WordPress form submissions to your CRM, so new inquiries can appear automatically as records without manual copying. In this walkthrough, we're focusing on the foundation, getting into Zoho Flow, opening the app selector, and locating the Contact Form 7 connector. Once you can reliably find it, you're set up for the configuration that follows. First, head to Zoho Flow in your browser. Think of Zoho Flow as a visual automation tool inside the Zoho ecosystem. It lets you chain together events and actions across different apps, so when someone fills out a form on your site, the data can move to Zoho CRM in a structured, repeatable way. When Zoho Flow opens, make sure you're in the correct workspace for your organization, so everything you create ends up in the right place. If you already have a draft flow, open it. If not, you can use a blank canvas. The process is the same from here. Now, look for the area where you choose which app will power a step in your automation. You'll see an option labeled App in the card, where you define a trigger or an action. Clicking App opens a panel that lists all the integrations available to you. This is the directory where you'll find the connectors you need to link WordPress and Zoho CRM. If the panel looks crowded, that's normal. Zoho Flow supports many services. The key is using search to quickly narrow it down. In the search bar within that app panel, start typing Contact Form 7. Type it exactly as the plugin's name appears to avoid missing results. As you type, the list should filter in real time. When you see Contact Form 7 appear, you've confirmed that Zoho Flow recognizes the connector you'll use to listen for new form submissions from your WordPress site. That's the checkpoint we wanted to reach in this session. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the connector, double-check your spelling and that you're in the intended workspace. Also, ensure your WordPress site actually uses Contact Form 7 and that the plugin is active. That way, when you proceed later, you'll have a clean path to connect. Identifying the correct connector here prevents setup confusion later on and keeps your mapping to Zoho CRM fields straightforward. That's it for today's segment. You've reached the point where the Contact Form 7 connector is visible and ready, which sets the stage for building out the rest of your flow.